how are we doing? Welcome back to Chivo Garage. In this one we're going to do a little bit of work on the rear seats in the P38. So something I've found recently is when I'm folding the rear seats, one of them struggles to be folded back up. So I'll show you what I mean when I've cleared this one off, because I was well prepared. No, I wasn't. Ooh, 2 seconds. Oh, there's all sorts in the way. Right. So this seat, when you go to put it back up, it catches like that. And I took the plastic beauty cover off on the side, just there, which was basically just, oh, I've got to figure this out. Basically 3 screws that just hold that on there. Pop the 3 screws out, this just lifts off and you're away. And I quickly discovered that this area here is the problem. So if we zoom in just a touch, you can see there's a hook unit here that latches around the seat. That's not the problem. There's this bar here, but then if you look, there are 2 blades here, and as the seat lifts up, that top blade should retract further, and that's the problem. Now if I pop that there, the seat works fine. Repeat the process, no joy. So plan is just to get into there a little bit, give it a quick clean, a load of love with some grease and penetrating fluid, put the cover back on, and hopefully we should be there. So I'm going to start with just grabbing the old jewellery screwdriver, see if I can clear out some of this mechanism a bit there. There are various springs in there, so if I just get that to do its thing. There are various bits of spring and things in here. Apologies for the low light. If we just good flick around, hopefully clear some of the dust and debris out. I think there's been the odd sweet packet drop down here. Side. Just a little bit sort of furred up and not looking great, and like I say, I don't really think I get any stiff brushes or anything in there easily, so just give it a quick clear out with the small screwdriver. And then throw some penetrating oil into there. Today's weapon of choice is Splasher Plus gas. I normally prefer the 3-in-1 varieties, but I've run out. So obviously, if this was your pride and joy vehicle and you didn't want to damage any of the interior, you'd probably mask up or you'd put some cloths down or something. But this, for me, is not a vehicle I'm precious about the quality of the interior and things. I just wanted to do everything right, so I wanted to drive well, stop well, etc. I'm not overly bothered if some areas are a bit grotty and mucky. It's not what I use it for. So let's just see if that's got a bit of muck on it as well. I hope I can just keep working this. Now I believe the system works from various springs and pulleys, and not pulleys, but springs and arms and things, so this doesn't solve it, I'll strip it back and try and find the particular spring in question, see if we can retension it or anything. But there we go, that's a very quick how I'm hoping to fix this area. Now it's going to take some time to work through, and hopefully we'll eventually see it work nicely when that penetrating fluid's worked its magic. So hopefully if I come back to this in the next couple of days, it should all be working lovely, and we'll be there. So yeah, quick whistle stop for you there. If you're struggling to get your seat backs to go back up when you've dropped them, it could well be this bar here not going all the way down. And like I say, if a bit of penetrating and a bit of a clean doesn't help it, I'll strip it back and see what else I can find. Cheers. Catch you in the next one. Right, a tiny bit of bonus footage after a couple of minutes of working. Oops. There's the result. And it's back to flowing again. So fingers crossed, a few more operations, that penetrating oil will take effect, and we should be there. Grand. Cheers. Catch you in the next one.